So good morning. Today we are going to see about a stepper motor. So basically, what is a stepper motor? A stepper motor is an electromechanical device that converts electrical pulses into discrete mechanical movements. Each pulse rotates the shaft by a fixed angle known as step angle. So stepper motor are widely used in precise control applications such as CNC mechanics, robotics, 3D printers, survey systems, etc. etc. So the stepper motor is controlled by a microcontroller named AT89C5, basically like Arduino board but with advanced features. It is controlled by a microcontroller. From this practicum, we can understand how a microcontroller controls the stepper motor, and we can also understand digital control of electromechanical system, pulse sequence generation, and current amplification using driver ICs such as ULN203. So this practicum demonstrates how signals from a microcontroller can be translated into controlled rotational motion through proper driving circuits. So today here there are two key concepts. One is the full step sequence, that is 4 rotation. Another one is half step sequence, 8 rotation. So we also need a driver. The driver that is in the integrated chip. The integrated chip is ULN203 Darlington array. This provides up to 500 milliampere per channel, protects the microcontroller, allow direct driving of stepper cases. So to view the result, we are also using a simulation called Proteus simulation. So in Proteus simulation, we can visually verify the step sequence, observing step direction and speed. So the stepper motor will look like this. It will have multiple coil and a magnet inside, so that it can create a current using this setup. So this is the pin circuit of the stepper motor with the current pins and everything, where and which thing we can see from here. So this is the code that we are. So this is the MATLAB code that will give the simulation. So it will give how much angle it has rotated, called stepper angle, from where to where it has rotated, from how many degree it has rotated. Everything we can see using the simulation code. So we are doing this in the MATLAB. So what we are doing is we are studying the circuit connection between AT89C51 and ULN203 and the stepper motor. We are using the Proteus simulation to understand how stepper motor have connections between each and everything. And we are also understanding about microcontroller, integrated chips connected and related to stepper motor. We are also ensuring we have studied every pins and we have known how to connect each and every pin successfully. So the result of this simulation is the stepper motor has been sold rotation of 90 degree using the full step sequence, that is 4 steps, and the polar plot visually represented the angular momentum. Thank you.